Are you tired of flimsy seals? This strip is your new best friend. Made from a high-grade thermoplastic polymer, it won't melt under pressure, literally, boasting resistance up to a sizzling 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine your sealing machine turbocharged and ready for action. You're thinking, okay, but will it fit? Absolutely. These strips are precision cut to snugly fit your machine. Goodbye gaps, hello perfect seals. No more alignment woes, just seamless operations. Perfect for the culinary connoisseur sealing spices or the e-commerce warrior shipping essentials. This strip keeps it all airtight. Plus, installation's a breeze. Pop it in with basic tools. No PhD in engineering required. Less downtime, more productivity. Package, seal, repeat. Simple. And it's friendly on your wallet, prolonging your sealer's life instead of replacing it altogether. Intrigued? Keep your business buzzing at full speed. Click the link in the description and get yours now.